What's up, Bixbyans? Today I will be asking Bixby to tell us a bunch of jokes. Bixby's got a great sense of humor and impressive repertoire of hilarity. Now, I will be using the wake word to wake Bixby up, but I'll be editing that out of the video so I don't keep waking up your Bixby. Also, a video on how to talk to Bixby will be in a card in the top right, as well as in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Tell me a joke.
How do tsunamis greet their friends? They wave. What's an optimist's favorite cereal? Cheerios. What's a nacho's favorite dance? Not the salsa. The cheddar cha-cha. It's best to work out before geometry class. You don't want to be out of shape. Why do techies love birthdays? They love getting gifts. If monsters invade from an alternate dimension, I won't be shocked. I've seen Stranger Things. What's a guaranteed way to get an Oscar? Look in the trash can on Sesame Street. What do you call a Pokemon who vlogs? A YouTuber. Why do Uber drivers avoid the gym? They don't lift. What was the Builder's favorite Drake song? Started from the bottom. Which candy bar gets the most laughs? Snickers. Geese are bad at dodgeball. They don't know how to duck. What did the mountain say after the earthquake? It wasn't my fault. Why was there a pizza on the roof? The driver was told to put it on the house. How do you tell a flutist to be quiet? Pipe down. I want to sign up for theater class, but not sure I can handle the drama. What's a cavity's least favorite dance move? The floss. Where is corn sold? The stock market. Why do so many mimes become rich? Because silence is golden. This won't change me, screamed the dollar as it went into a quarter machine. Here's an IKEA punchline. You'll have to set it up on your own. What fish loves to snuggle? Cuttlefish. Which alligators start social media feuds? Instigators. What TV talent show should indecisive people avoid? The Choice. Why'd the man iron his smartphone? He wanted a seamless connection. There's a fancy restaurant where the servers are cows. Tipping isn't encouraged. I once met a man with 5 toes named Larry. I'm not sure what he named his other toes. Tigers are naturally speedy. They come with racing stripes. Where did Captain Hook get his hook? A second-hand shop. Where do the world's grumpiest kids grow up? The Sour Patch. What did the dessert detective say? The proof is in the pudding. What do you call a pig that loves shrubs? A hedgehog. How does a fisherman relax? Net, fish, and krill. What do sloths call standing up? Exercise. Which snack food always wears shoes? Fitos. What happens when fruit dries? A traffic jam. What do fishing and pop music have in common? A good hook. What game do Instagrammers play? Tag. What's a pirate's favorite soda? Pepsi. The cannibal loved her meal so much, she gave it 4 thumbs up. What's a cow's favorite Taylor Swift song? Look What You Made Me. The hipster always stayed close to the riverbank. He didn't want to be mainstream. What TV shows are squeaky clean? Soap operas. What do you call a security guard that works for Samsung? A guardian of the galaxy. What's the Grim Reaper's favorite exercise? Soul Cycle. What did the scientist wear to the club? A dab coat. Spies love wearing leather. It's made of hide. How do you know the floor's lava? Trick question. The floor's always lava. Why didn't Game of Thrones have more dogs? It already had a hound. How do you train a dragon? Give it wheels and a conductor.
So there you go. Be sure to let me know which joke was your favorite down in the comments below. And just to wrap things up, I'm done recording.
Do not disturb is now off.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. That was a quick command. To learn how to do this, check out the video in the top left corner.